Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create water replace effect for text and CapCut for PC. So first I'm going to add the PNG background. You can go to library and select PNW and select PNG background. So after that you're just going to select text, select the bold text to add the text that you like to edit, and for example I'm going to change the text and you can change for the font style, font color as you like. Alright, and I'm just going to change for the color of background. Just select canvas and select color. Select color 2 you want. Right, then after one I'm going to select the clips, right click and create component clip. So select effect, select video effect and select distortion. So select water replace 1 and you can change for the twist, filters, size, speed and vertical. So you can see for the final result like this. That's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.